Well folks, in today's video we're going to be making a strawberry daiquiri. All you need is Havana, sugar syrup and your strawberry puree and then fresh lime. So it's 25ml fresh lime juice. $25ml of your sugar syrup. $50ml of your Havana rum, or you can use any rum, Bacardi or anything. And then 50ml of your strawberry puree. You can get this off the internet. It's usually £12 to £14 for a bottle. I always put a wee bit extra of that in as well. Then whatever glass you're going to use, fill it with ice. So that's all the ice I'll be using for the drinks. Then you put that in the shaker. Or your blender, sorry. Blend it. Just give it a wee shake for any of the bits that stick. If you like it more frozen, just put more ice. I don't like mine too frozen. Also, if you want a daiquiri and you don't drink, all you have to do is put Sprite in instead of your Havana rum. And there you go folks, there's how you make a strawberry daiquiri. Enjoy.